Oh, hello everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land, never land, and no land of the rubber band. Yeah, this chief. You see that diode right there? Fucker is burned. You can see it where it burned right through. And with this coating on this circuit board, doesn't look like it can replace this diode. If I went looking for diode or look the similar way, I don't think I could replace them. So, and I called Air Gas Gaspro, and this part, which is called Fuel Circuit Regulator, fuck the like 413. Well, actually over 413 bucks for this. Fuck, I ain't got that kind of money. So I'm gonna have to wait till my uncle's machine is repaired in my mill. Then I'll take you know, my stepbrother's trailer and finish it up in my mill. Another thing I'm gonna do is as soon as I'm not hurting as bad as I am right now, my neck is really bad. I'm gonna go tackle the Miller Big D4. And I have a welding machine that I can do stuff around here until I come up with the money for a new fuel circuit regulator. I do have a project in Waimea. I'm gonna see if the guy's willing to trade. He pick up my fuel circuit regulator and I do all the welding I can on his stuff. I don't know where the hell I can get one of these, unless somebody else got a machine out there that got some other problems with it. This came off a Blue Star 180K, but I'm not sure if this fuel circuit regulator matches anything else that might be out there. Anybody out there get any ideas? Know where there's one that maybe burned the generator, but the circuit board is still good. Let me know. Fuck man, Chief needs to be back welding. When I'm welding, I'm happy. When I'm not welding or I can't weld, I'm not happy. So right now, Chief ain't happy. No, till next time, aloha.